Hello, my name is Ambassador Alfred Oladotun Taylor. I am in a city very rich in the history of the creation of what we call Nollywood today. I am about 16 kilometers away from Alaba Market, the home of what they call piracy, you might say. And I'm just about 6 kilometers away from Idumota Market, you know, the popular Nweka Road and the Azikiwe Road, the home where Nollywood actually began. But before that time, something happened. I'll be with you in a bit. Oral tradition, storytelling, is an inherent part of the Nigerian and the African people's culture. Meaning that before we had the cameras, before we had the sound equipments and the lights, Africans always tell stories to their children at night when they go to sleep.
That is best experienced under a tree with friends and having an older person tell stories of past heroes and legends, history about our tribes, animals, and not to forget knowledge.
Ito Ijapa, Tales by Moonlight, Storyland, Storyland, come again another day. Storytelling is part of the African people. So when the cameras came, it was very easy to transition from just saying it to filming it.
We cannot deny that the blessings and the beauty of an experience of this unusual gathering as children has somehow shaped our imaginative sense to create fictional cities, characters, and imagine beautiful scenarios as we grow into adults. This beautiful tradition now made a turnaround and into an art form, something we all can be proud of.
Storytelling was already coming naturally. So even before the cameras, stage production was beginning to take rapid ascension. The Baba Ogun days was moving from the church to creating a traveling theater company. The Onyade Jobis were also following through, learning from the Uli Bears and the Susan Wengers. Then again, the Ojola Dipo, the Durola Dipo, transcending gradually into the Awada Keri Keri era. The stage play in Nigeria created a very beautiful ground for filmmaking to come into play.
Aago mẹ́jọ alẹ́ tòní ni ìròyìn ọ̀tàbójúbà gan ni àfikíni ẹ máa bọ̀ ńbẹ̀ Hotel Frontier láago mẹ́jọ lálẹ́ Hotel Frontier.
I used to lead their vehicle for announcement when they are doing announcement lálẹ́ òní o àtidé o, so that they will not go into an unaccepted area or road. So it was then I told them that I wanted to join them because I love their dances and the drama.
Sanya ni me wo ni tan pe Sanya Sanya. Kakari o mo bi o wa ni. So wa nu. Tan pe Sanya. Ṣé bàbá rẹ̀ wọ́n fún lẹ̀ ni? Bàbá mi kọ́ irọ́ ni. Wọ́n fún bàbá rẹ̀ ńlẹ̀.
Ẹ tẹ̀síwájú.
Bàbá ẹ̀ jogún rẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ìyá rẹ̀ ni.
Ẹ tẹ̀síwájú bàbá.
Sẹ́yìn lè wá ní ni. Ìwọ náà wá jogún rẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí ariwo.
Òun náà ti jogún ẹ̀.
Kí ni gbogbo rọ́bìṣì?
Ṣé mo ti ní o má bínú?
Ewu ni o má bínú since mo wà níbí báyìí. O wá ń waste time.
Ẹ ta ní ọ̀gẹ̀ náà. Ọmọ Igbo.
Ta lọmọ Igbo.
Ta tí wá ni ó?
Èmi ò ń ṣọmọ Igbo.
Ta ni ó?
Bàbá ọmọ Odùduwà. Màmá ọmọ Odùduwà. Èmi kan ọmọ Odùduwà.
Ẹ lọ ń jẹ́ tí bùkẹ́.
If you don't know how to dance or sing, you cannot do anything. You have to be on stage. Make sure you dance. Make sure you sing. Make sure you can talk in front of live of audience. So tán dẹ̀ máa gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ. Not just pé kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ máa ṣe.
I am very particular about talent. I can't just take anybody anyhow, anywhere into the theater company without first watching for his talent, you see. And at times, I casually meet people on the street. A talented person, maybe he's taking part in a dance in the street or is singing. I will just invite such a person to my theater and to find out whether he or she is interested to join my theater.
So gbogbo orú àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí là ń ṣe. Àwọn bàbá wa Ọlọ́run kó fọ̀run kẹ́ wọn Ògúndé, àwọn bàbá wa Àyìnlá Olùmẹ̀gbọ́n.
Nígbà tí mo wà lọ́dọ̀ bàbá wa olùdásílẹ̀ tíátà late Chief Hubert Ògúndé, rìhásà tá a máa ń ṣe ìgbáradì tọ̀sán tòru, a máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní 7:30, a máa ṣe exercise ní 7:30, a break ní 8:30. We come back to start learning dance steps and learning dialogues from 9 till 1 p.m. A máa break ní 1 láago kan ọ̀sán, a padà ní 4 nírọ̀lẹ́. Anytime from 9 lálẹ́ la máa tó tún close nígbà yẹn. Then a máa ṣe rehearsal yẹn for a whole 30 days.
It was a stage, total traveling theater.
Stage plays have always been a near cinema experience for all in the past, and the performers made sure everyone gets a worth for their money, although it was even a stipend.
Àkọ́kọ́ náà tí wọ́n bá ti fẹ́ gbé eré lọ, wọ́n á lẹ̀ pósítà, wọ́n á ti mọ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe gbé bí owó pósítà, iye tí ó tó ìlú tí wọ́n á lò sí, wọ́n á ṣètò ẹ̀ kó tó di pé a gbéra. Ẹ̀yìn ìgbà tá a bá wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ eré, ó ní owó họ́ọ̀lù ó yàtọ̀ síra wọn. A lè lo họ́ọ̀lù, a lè lo bóyá ọgbà àwọn kan, ó ló yàtọ̀ bí ti kálu owó mọ́tò wọ́n á yọ, owó epo á yọ, wọ́n á ti ṣírò gbogbo ẹ̀. Ìwé wà tí wọ́n á fi kọ́, tí ì ṣe pé kí wọ́n máa ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣe kíní. Títẹ̀ǹtẹ̀lé ni wọ́n máa ń kọ́ gbà náà.
Some towns we perform for 3 nights, some 4 nights, some 2 nights. So we travel for 3 months, 4 months then, before we come back to our base and start another rehearsing another story. Then it was a joyous job. Every one of us was very, very happy. Inú wa máa ń dùn ni nígbà náà.
The Nigerian film industry has gone to a whole large extent to develop itself.
Àwa ọmọ Áfíríkà, àwa ló ní ilẹ̀ wa, ọba tó fún wa nílẹ̀, òun ló dá wa pọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká rí ara wa bí ọmọ ìyá kan, ká fi gbogbo ọkàn wa ṣòtítọ́ f'Olúwa. Ọjọ́ ń ré kọjá lọ, kò dúró dẹ́nìkan. Ẹ fìkà sílẹ̀, ẹ má bínú orí. Ẹ gbìmọ̀ràn tó dáa, káyé yìí sàn wá o. Ká fọkàn wáyé Olúwa.